Hi, in this presentation I want to talk about how to expand the capabilities of BlueJ. So first of all, what you can do is to go to BlueJ and search for extensions. Okay, and what I would suggest is that you look at the extensions that is the most useful to you. Now, in Java, what I find is if somebody gives you a sample code, the easiest way to go through and step through what that sample code is by turning the Java code into UML. So UML is one of the best ways that you can analyze somebody else's code. And it is a skill that not many people feel comfortable with. So let's start by talking about the extension, BlueJ extensions. Now the BlueJ extensions can be applied in different locations, and where you apply the extension will determine the availability of those extensions. So right now I'm using Windows. So in Windows you can see that the easiest location to apply extensions to is right where your project directory is. In the project directory, you can create an extensions folder, a subfolder, and you can put the extensions in there. But that's only going to be available for that particular project. Now, if you want to put the extensions into BlueJ's or a user home directory in BlueJ, and then you create a subdirectory, then it's going to be available for that particular user, whatever user you use. Or what you can do is look at the home directory for BlueJ and go to the lib subdirectory, and then the extensions subdirectory you can place your extensions. Now the lib extensions directory is created by default by the BlueJ application install program, but the BlueJ extensions and the project extensions, you have to create those subdirectories. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is find the extension. So what I find really useful is maybe the simple GUI builder if you want to practice building GUI applications in BlueJ. Okay, but it has a simple UML extension. Okay, so you just download the UML extensions jar. Okay, go to your file system. There's your UML extensions.jar. Gonna cut that away from here. Go to my BlueJ directory. Okay, so within the BlueJ directory, if you go to lib, here's the user lib directory. Okay, oops, sorry, extensions, right? So we need the extensions directory. Okay, so submitter.jar is right there, but we can just paste this extensions right here. So there's a UML extensions, and then you can go and look at your extensions folder and see if there's anything else that you might like. Okay, like I said, you know, I like the simple GUI builder. Okay, well, I can show you how to get that one. Okay, simple GUI builder. Okay, download it. Okay. Okay. Again, you just copy it, basically cut it from here, and can just go to our BlueJ Live extensions. So it's really simple, okay? And there is another one that I like, which is a better UML extension, okay? So you go to that website and you can click on English, and this is the recent version. You can see that that file is also downloaded. Okay. Okay. Come on, should be there. Okay, so now we have this one. So we're gonna cut this one from here, and we go to extensions and we paste it in here. Okay. So at this point, what you need to do is make sure that you close down BlueJ. Okay. So that's all you need to do. Okay. Now, if you need all this, all these extensions, like the documentation said that you can put it in the user's home directory, okay, BlueJ, and then you can also paste it over here. Or what you can do is when you create the project, okay, so I think I have my project in temp and I have practice, okay. When you have practice, then you can paste it over here, and now that's gonna be only project specific extensions. Okay, so you can put it in 3 different places. Anyway, but the main thing is you do have to exit out of BlueJ, and when you exit, then you relaunch BlueJ, and let's see, in this particular practice I'd like to import, so let's go ahead and import some source code. So 1437 source code, let's do chapter 7. Okay, import. So now we have a bunch of files imported, right? And I'd like to see the basic structure of each one of these applications. Okay, so let's pick one. Okay, so I compiled this one. Okay, let's compile this. Okay, okay, and then you right click on any one of these projects, and now you can see there is a display UML. See, so it's really simple application. Or you can do the class card. That's the better UML. Okay. So let's see. Pass array. Sales length. Let me see if I can find something. Let's say rectangle. Okay, so if we look at the UML, oops. Okay, so display UML. See, the problem with this is that we have length and width, and those are my attributes, and those attributes do not show up when I use the display UML. The methods are showing up, and they show the return value. It's not perfect because you can see that double and double, so the parameters do not get the data types. So it's not a perfect UML, but it's better than just going through it by hand. Okay, and if you look at the class card, Now the class card does have the attributes, but as you can see that the data type are not considered at all. So none of them are perfect, neither one of them are perfect. So really, if you need to have some better understanding of UMLs, you should use Eclipse. But if you want to stick with BlueJ, these two extensions are very decent extensions. Okay. Now, if you want to use that simple GUI builder, okay, you can see that here's the simple GUI builder, and now you can drag and drop these buttons and change values for the button, and then you can code different buttons for GUI design. Okay, it's a really simple way to extend the capability of BlueJ. So, see you guys next time.